Here's why today's seller's market is still good for your bottom line. Thinking about selling your house and wondering if now's a good time to do it? Here's what you need to know. Even though the number of homes for sale has been growing this year, there still aren't enough homes on the market for all the buyers who want to buy. So, what does that mean for you? To keep it simple, it means it's still a seller's market. Here's how it works. A neutral market is when supply and demand is balanced. Basically, there are enough homes to meet buyer demand based on the current sales pace and home prices hold fairly steady. A buyer's market is when there are more homes for sale than there are buyers. When that happens, buyers have more negotiation power because sellers are willing to make compromises to close the deal. In a buyer's market, sellers may have to do price cuts to reignite interest in their home, and prices may go down. But we haven't seen this for years since there are so few homes available to buy. In a seller's market, it's just the opposite. When the supply of homes for sale is so low, as it is right now, it's much harder for buyers to find homes to purchase. That creates increased competition among purchasers, which can lead to more bidding wars. And if buyers know they may be entering a bidding war, they're going to do their best to submit a very attractive offer up front. This could drive the final sale price of your house up. The graph uses data from the National Association of Realtors to show just how deep into the seller's market territory we still are today. What does this mean for you? The market is still working in your favor. If you lean on an agent for advice on how to get your house list ready and how to price it competitively, it should get a lot of attention from eager buyers. That means you'll likely get multiple offers and see your house sell quickly. And for top dollar, if you have questions or are ready to start the process of preparing your home for sale, reach out to me and my team. I'm Deb Grimme, homesintwincities.com and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, make it a great buying and selling day. Take care.